Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
And do you know what that means?
Candy!
Candy! Let's put more bugs up on this wall. Can you find some bugs in here?
Okay.
Ooh, found them. We need to decorate this wall. Put him on the wall for us.
Okay, fire.
It is a spooky spider. There's a centipede. Ooh! Just kidding. That's a little sideways. So, Justin and I are throwing a Halloween party. We have so much stuff to do. Oh yes, we're actually all done. We have all the bugs we need. We're throwing a Halloween party for all the dental students Justin goes to school with. All of our projects are DIY, do it yourself. We've got lots to do, and I figured why not make a video and have Clara help me. Today we're making creepy books. Here's one that Justin's already done. Justin found all of these outdated books at the library for free, which work perfectly. Little Clara!
Ooh.
Rawr! Alright, let's get started on this book. Okay, Clara, which book do you like better? Do you like the green book? No. Do you like the brown book? No. Well, which one do you want to glue bugs on? Let's do it on the brown book. Ah, what are you doing? We've got snakes. Where are the spiders? Find a spider? That's a skeleton! Find a purple spider. Do you want to put that spider on the book? Here's the glue. Ready? I'm going to put the glue down. Ooh, so creepy. We're making progress. Now what bugs do we want to put on? Ooh, scary.
Spooky.
So spooky.
I'll be shaking hot.
The glue is dripping all over our table. Is this your cowgirl costume? Do we know anybody who's a cowgirl? Sheriff Callie's a cowgirl, you're right.
Mama, say this one.
You want me to put it right there? Okay. What do you think our book should be called? Creepy Crawlers. Let's bring out the letters. We've got all of these letters.
Woo.
Oh my goodness! Oh, that's not what I meant! Okay.
Mama, that's marble.
A marble? What is a marble doing in there?
Mama, hold it.
Thank you. I'll hold it right here.
Wow.
Oh my goodness, that's so many.
Mama, that's your marble in there.
Can you find me the letter O? Pretty close, it's the letter Q. We're learning our letters right now. I just got these from the dollar store. Put the sticker on the book. Yes, let's put it on the very corner. What letter is this?
A.
You're so smart. Right now, this is Clara's favorite letter. See if she gets it. What letter is this one? Say it louder. W. This is also her favorite letter? What letter is this? Okay, stop. What letter is it?
W.
See, W is her favorite. That's the letter X. I think we need a couple more. This is the letter H.
And
W, W, W.
Happy W.
I need a W. Okay, let's see if we can find more. Okay, thank you. Clara, what's this?
Pumpkin.
Is this your pumpkin?
My pumpkin.
Oh yeah, here, you can hold it.
Happy.
Happy cowgirl. Yeehaw!
Yeehaw.
Woohoo!
Have Halloween party. Jimmy.
Ah, scary! Skeleton. Get that skeleton out of my face. What does a ghost say, Clara? What does a black cat say? Yeah, because it's a mean cat. Oh, messy hair. And what does a witch say? Oh, switching wardrobes. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Okay, switching up again. That book is looking fantastic. Spider! Look at this! Look what we just did. Clara, put all of this back. Stage 1 complete. Next thing we're gonna do, put tissue paper on it. This one doesn't have tissue paper on the back yet. This is mine. Quite proud of it. We're gonna put a whole lot of glue on this thing. Can you help me? Okay, Clara, do you know what this is called?
No. I want to
Let's try that again. I think Cole's awake too. All right. She's pretty much done. We're gonna come back to this book later. When Cole goes to sleep, we'll change our clothes. Can you say, see you later? I'll have Clara show you the finished books. Clara, do you wanna say bye?
Bye.
Bye. Now say goodbye.